Hi, it's John Benson and Penguins and Benson. If you've been charged with a crime in Pennsylvania, how do you go about finding the right criminal defense attorney for you? Well, in Pennsylvania, what you really need to do is you need to concentrate on what the experience of that criminal defense attorney is. Do they have the experience in the charge that you have been charged with? So if you've been charged with assault, if you've been charged with DUI, if you've been charged with homicide, you want to find a defense attorney who actually has experience dealing with that particular charge, because not every criminal defense attorney has experience with all the different charges. There are some attorneys who only handle DUI cases. There are some attorneys who only handle felonies. You want to make sure that the criminal defense attorney you've chosen has experience in that charge, because in Pennsylvania, a lot of times it's not so much about knowing the law, it's about knowing the court system and the ins and outs of the court system, and the judges and the prosecutors and the police officers who are going to be handling your case. That can have a significant experience with your charge. Another thing that you want to also look at is you want to make sure that the person that you're going to be dealing with it with as your criminal defense attorney is going to be able to get the job done. There are a lot of criminal defense attorneys, and they will only plea a case out. They're just there to find you a quick deal. And that may or may not be what you're looking for. So you want to find a criminal defense attorney who actually has experience doing trials, someone who has experience being in the courtroom, someone who has experience of running towards the court system instead of trying to run away from the court system. So in Pennsylvania, if you are charged with a criminal charge and you need a criminal defense attorney, you want to find someone who has the experience with your particular charge and who is experienced not just in pleas, but is experienced with doing criminal defense in court. Hope this helps. For more recommendations, ideas, tips, and tricks, you can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and at penglazandbenson.com.